Well, here's a very rare and very desirable Corvette. Even many Corvette enthusiasts have not seen this particular combination. This is a 1967 Chevrolet Corvette Convertible with factory air conditioning. An absolutely beautiful car. It just came into our showroom. It is actually on the rack right now, getting its final inspection, but we wanted to get this out to you right away for you to be able to see. This is code correct Tuxedo Black on the exterior, black interior with white vinyl seats and door panels, and it has the matching auxiliary hardtop. It has a black convertible top. Numbers matching, 300 horsepower, 327 cubic inch engine. It has powerglide automatic transmission, and its features include factory air conditioning, power steering, power brakes, power windows, telescopic steering wheel, side exhaust, redline tires, and AM/FM radio. We know the car was originally assembled on June 12, 1967, and this rare body-off restored and protect-a-plate documented 67 Corvette Convertible is not only one of just 815 Tuxedo Black 67s built, but this car is also equipped with extremely desirable and hard-to-find features, including factory air conditioning. And this car is in particularly nice condition as well. This combination of colors, as we mentioned, and the features is so rare that most Corvette enthusiasts have never seen one in person. The car's paint is good to very good condition. It has a great shine. The convertible top is in very good condition. The side glass shows correct date codes as well. Front chrome bumpers show a very good to excellent finish, with rears showing a good to very good finish. Weather stripping, very good to excellent condition, as are the rally wheels and the center caps. The interior of this 67 Corvette Convertible shows very good to excellent seats, carpet, center console, dash pods, gauges, door panels, and those GM seat belts. The steering wheel is in good condition, and the correct appearing AM/FM radio is in place. Now, the numbers matching engine on this 1967 Corvette Convertible shows original casting date May 28, 1967. Assembly date, May 31st, 67. It's fun to know those things about your car. Correct air cleaner, intake manifold, ignition shielding, valve covers, radiator hoses, hose clamps, they're all in place. And the frame, well, it's solid and rust-free. This car has been fully serviced. All instruments, gauges, lights, brakes, transmission, rear end are all in good operating condition. Give us a call today. You could be the owner of a very rare 67 Corvette. Give us a call at 770-414-5552. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. When you do, hit that notification button and you'll be able to keep your eye on this Corvette every day until you decide to give us a call and let us help put it in your driveway. Remember, we make buying online something you can do with ease, more importantly with confidence. We ship nationwide, less expensive than you could ever imagine. Give us a call, buyavet.net, Atlanta, Georgia. We hope to hear from you really soon.